Hello everyone, welcome to SP Global Solution. Today I am going to start very important topic, that is percentage part 1. Let us see the question. Here percentage part 1, here we have written the 5 question. Every question have a same technique. First is what? 20 is what percent of 50. 0.5 is what percent of 40. Half is what percent of 3 by 2. 3 is what percent of 1 dozen. And 0.25 centimeter is what percent of 2 meter. So for this type of question, what is the simple technique? See. So just we are solving first question first. So this is 20 is what percent of 50. So we will solve this question by the two methods. First tricky approach and second basic concept. So question is 20 is what percent of 50. So if we solve this question by the basic concept, so basic concept is what? 20 is what percent of 50. So suppose x percent of 50 equal to what? 20. 20 is what percent of 50. So x percent of 50 equal to what? 20. So we know x percent means what? X by 100. Of means multiply. And this is what? 50. And this equal to what? 20. So when we cancel this number 50 to the 100. So x equal to what? 20 into 2. That is what? 40. So 40% of 50 will be what? 20. So our correct answer is what? 40. Now if we solve the same question by a tricky approach. So what is the tricky approach? See. So only in one line we will solve this question by the trick. So trick is what? First we check which number we are finding percentage and by which number we are comparing. So here 20 is what percent of 50? We are finding percentage of 20 with respect to 50. So given number multiply 100. So that is 50 multiply 100 and divided by comparing number. Comparing number is 20. So 20 multiply 100 and comparing what? 50. So 20 is what percent of 50? We are comparing with 50. So this is 50, 50 to the 100. So we can find direct our answer 40. So this is the technique, which number we are finding percentage, that number into 100 and divided by what? That is comparing number. So comparing number is 50. So our answer is what? 40. Now we will solve every question with the help of this technique. But funda is what? Unit should be same. Here numbers, pure number, here is number. Here decimal and this number is not in decimal. So now you see we are solving the second question. So second question is what? 0.5 is what percent of 40. So we are finding percentage of 0.5. Comparing with what? That is 40. So simple technique is what? 0.5 multiply 100 by comparing number. Comparing number is what? 40. When we remove the decimal, we will take here what? 10. Why? Because this decimal means 1 and after decimal how many digits we will put 0. So here only 1 digit, so this is what? 1 0. Now this 0, this 2 0 cancel. We will get what? 5 by 4. So this is 5 by 4%. So 0.5 to what percent of 40? 5 by 4%. Or if you want answer in mixed form, then you can write what? 4 1 ja 4, 1 remainder. So 1 and 1 by 4%. If you want your answer in decimal, it is also very easy. This 1 is complete, so write 1 decimal. Here 1 by 4. So decimal means 10. So that is 4 to the 8, again 2 remaining, so 20, 4 5 are 20. So correct answer is what? 1.25. So this is the right answer, this is the right answer and this is right answer, depends upon the option. Now let us see the third question. So third question is what? half is what percent of 3 by 2? So same type of question, but here the number is given in fraction. So no problem, we will apply the same technique. So technique is what? Which number we are finding? Percentage. So we are finding percentage of half. And with respect to what? That is 3 by 2. So our correct answer is half multiply 100 and divided by 3. So same technique, only here number is in fraction. So now we will solve this number and divide this number. So easy process is what? So don't cut 100 by 2 you write first. This is 100 by 2. And now this is divide. So when divide, we change the divide into multiply and number after divide become reciprocal. So 3 by 2 become what? That is 2 by 3. So this 2 and this 2 cancel. We will get what? 100 by 3. So we can write 3 3 are 9. 1 remainder 10. 3 3 are 9. 33 and 1 by 3%. If you want to solve this question in decimal, so 33.33 are 9, again 9. So this is repeated. So you can write 33.33 up to infinity. If it is not in option, we can write simply 33.31. This bar is what? 3 is repeated. Suppose it is not in option, you can write simply 33.3. So why? Because this number is less than 5. If number less than 5, then we can ignore the second number. We can write 33.3 only. So this is the right answer, this is the right answer, this is right, and this depends upon option. Now you see the question number 4. Question 4 is what? 3 is what percent of 1 dozen? Again you see most important point is what? Unit. Here number given, here 1 dozen. So you know 1 dozen is what? 12. So 3 is what percent of 1 dozen? So we are finding percentage of 3 with comparing with 1 dozen. That is 12. So simple technique is what? Given number multiply 100 dividing by comparing number. So this is what? 3 4 are 12 and this is 25. So our correct answer is what? 25% is our right answer. Again, now the last question of this type number 1, 0.25 centimeter is what percent of 2 meter? So again, very easy, same trick question, but funda is what? Here centimeter and here meter. So first we will convert this unit into the same. So changing meter into centimeter easy. So 2 meter means 200. So we are finding percentage of 0.25 centimeter with respect to 2 meter, that is what? 200 centimeter. So simple technique is what? 0.25 into 200 and divided by 200. If we remove the decimal, we will get what? 100. So this 100 and 100 cancel out. Now 0.25 is what? Only 0.25, that is 25. So 25 8 5 40 and 8 2 16 4 20. So 25 8 is what? 200. So our correct answer is what? 1 by 8%. If this is not in option, you have to convert this answer into decimal. So technique is what? First you write decimal because this is the less than 8. Now it will become 10. So 8 1 ja 8. 2 remainder 20. 8 2 ja 16. Again 20 16 4. So that is 40. 8 5 are 40. So 0.125, but when we add here 04, beauty of this number, so we can write 0.125 or simply 125. Both are our correct answer.